Hey, what's up guys? So today gonna be installing BMW Motorsport Tow Strap. I'm just gonna make a quick video just because there's no really resources or videos out there on anyone installing this, and it's probably one of the easiest tow straps and cheapest options for any track car, race car, anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today. Alright, so we're first going to start by removing the bumper covers, and then we'll take the bumper off because this one, it just wraps around one of the shock mounts. I'm going to mount it on this side over here, so we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so now that we have the covers off, we're going to use a 12mm impact and just take off the bolts that hold on the bumper. Alright, so now that we got the bumper off, this is the actual tow strap, and you can see part numbers. This is an actual BMW part. It's not aftermarket or anything. They use it on their E46 Racecars. So this will just gonna loop around here, the back over here, and then it'll come up through here and out through the bumper, and that's it. Super easy to install. No extra weight, no bolts, nothing like that. It's just gonna wrap around there, and then it's good to go. So you can see, super simple. This part over here will stick out of the bumper that way, and this part wraps around the shock there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on and put the bumper back. Alright, so that's what it looks like now. I just kind of put a zip tie on it there just to keep it flat on the front, but it pulls from the bumper. I test fitted it. It doesn't rip or pull on anything. I'm just going to go ahead and cut those zip ties off, put the bumper back on. We should be good. Alright, so that's the final install. You can see it just kind of tucks up through the bumper, and it's wrapped around the bumper support shock. So give it a pull, it's not going anywhere for sure. And then this part says to keep out so it doesn't recess back into the bumper. So you could tuck it away if you want to. Like, I could tuck it in like that if I don't want to, you know, have it out there, but it just comes right back out. And like I said, I zip tied it on the back just to keep it flat. Worst case, if it were to be pulled, if anything, those zip ties may snap, but other than that, it's pretty easy install. Super cheap compared to like Turner ones or anything like that, like some of the other tow straps I was looking at were, you know, close to like $100. So compared to that, I'd much rather spend, you know, the $35 on something like this rather than spending $100 on, you know, the other tow straps that they offer. And this one, super easy install, same with the other ones, but this one, just a little bit of OEM BMW flair. Hopefully won't need to use it, but at least if I do, it'll be there. And then I'm going to be buying the rear one, which same thing, it'll just pop out through here, and then actually I'll pop it out through the top, and I'm going to do the same thing, just wrap it around the shock there. So super easy install. I hope you guys enjoyed that. There really wasn't any like videos or anything out there on how to use this tow strap or how to mount it, or even any pictures really. So hopefully this was helpful for some people. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Again, I'll see you guys next week. See ya.